Getting a medical marijuana recommendation in California is easier than you think. With My MMJ Doctor, your evaluation is fast, hassle-free, and fully online through our HIPAA-compliant platform. Here's how to get started. Start by selecting California as your state, and then proceed further. Just drop in your full name, email, and phone number to begin. Next, choose your visit type and pick a date and time that works best for you. After that, enter your payment details to book an appointment, then verify your identity by providing your ID number and a photo ID. Now fill out your medical details and share your current California address, gender, date of birth, height, and weight. Then provide details about the condition you're seeking relief for, such as anxiety, chronic pain, arthritis, insomnia, or other qualifying concerns. If you have past medical records or other supporting documents, you can upload them as well. It helps our licensed doctors get a clearer picture of your needs. Once your form is submitted, we'll schedule a quick video consultation with a California licensed doctor. Most consultations are brief, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. If approved, you need to submit your application along with your medical marijuana recommendation to your county program, which will then issue your medical marijuana identification card, allowing you to legally purchase medical marijuana from state-licensed dispensaries. So, start your journey towards meaningful relief with MyMMJDoctor.com, all from the comfort of your home, and let natural healing become a part of your everyday life.